Chapter 8. More on PowerPoint 2016. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to insert a new slide and delete a slide. Format text in a slide. Insert pictures from a file or internet. Apply color to the background of a slide. Warm up. Rohan and Sohan have learnt about MS PowerPoint 2016. But Sohan doesn't remember the components of MS PowerPoint window. Help Sohan to recall. Teacher's note: assist student with labeling the components of MS PowerPoint 2016. Also, ask them to recall why PowerPoint is useful presentation tool. Hi friends, in the previous chapter we learned about the uses of MS PowerPoint. Now let's learn using the slides in PowerPoint. You have already familiar with how to make slides and add text. You will discover more about PowerPoint's advanced feature in this chapter. Opening a presentation. Follow the given steps to open the saved presentation. Steps: 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Select the Open command from the left pane. 3. Locate and select the presentation you want to open. 4. Click on the Open button. Inserting a new slide. Any number of slides can be inserted in our presentation. Follow the given steps to insert a new slide. Steps: 1. Click on the Home tab. Do you know? We can create a duplicate slide by pressing Ctrl+D key combination. 2. From the Slides group, click on the New Slide. 3. Select the type of slide you want. 4. A new slide is inserted. Let me answer. How do you realize that something is irrelevant and needs to be deleted? Alternatively, you can click on the Insert tab to New Slide. Deleting a slide. Some slides may look irrelevant, so we can delete them in the normal view or in the slide sorter view. Follow the given steps to delete a slide. Steps: 1. Choose the slide you want to remove. 2. Right-click on it in the outline pane. 3. From the shortcut menu, choose the Delete Slide option. 4. The slide will be deleted. Formatting text in a slide. Making changes in the text appearance to make it more exciting and attention-grabbing is referred to as formatting. We can use the following features to format slides in a PowerPoint presentation: font style and font size. Follow the given steps to change the size of the selected text. Steps: 1. Select the text you want to change. 2. On the Home tab in the Font group, click on the drop box arrow next to the font size box. 3. Click on the desired font size and text will be changed. Let me answer. What is the perfect font size according to you? Follow the given step to change the size of the selected text. Steps: 1. Select the text you want to change. 2. On the Home tab in the Font group, click on the drop-down arrow next to the font style box. 3. Move the cursor over the available font styles. 4. Select the desired font style. 5. The font style will be applied to the selected text. Changing font color. Follow the given step to change the font color. Steps: 1. Select the text. 2. On the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow next to the font color box. 3. Choose the desired color. 4. The font color will be applied to the selected text. Adding pictures. Pictures have more visual impact than the text. PowerPoint lets you insert images or pictures in your presentation. Follow the given steps to insert an image from a file. Steps: 1. Take the cursor where you want to insert a picture on the slide. 2. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the Pictures button in the Images group. 3. A dialog box will appear. 4. Browse to the location where you have saved your picture file. 5. select the desired picture and click the insert button. 6. The picture will appear on the slide. Follow the given steps to insert an image from a file. Steps 1. Take the cursor where you want to insert a picture from the internet. 2. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the drop-down arrow in the Images group below the Picture button. 3. Click on the Online Pictures button. 4. A dialog box will appear. Type the name of the picture you want to search in. Search item name and then press Enter. 5. Related pictures will appear. 6. Select the desired pictures and click on the Insert button. Resizing pictures. The size of the images can be increased or decreased. Follow the given step to resize the image. Steps 1. Click on the image. 2. Sizing handles will appear around the edges of the pictures. 3. Move the mouse pointer over a sizzling handle. 4. The shape of the cursor will change to a double-headed arrow. 5. While holding the mouse button, drag the mouse inwards to decrease or outwards to increase the size of the picture. 6. Release the mouse button once the picture is resized or desired. Moving pictures. The position of the pictures can be changed. Follow the given step to change the position of the picture. Steps 1. Click on the image. 2. Sizing handles will appear around the edges of the pictures. 3. Move the mouse pointer over a sizing handle. 4. The shape of the cursor will change to a four-headed arrow. 5. While holding the mouse button, drag the mouse in the required direction. 6. Release the mouse once the picture is positioned. Adding color to the background of a slide. There are many ways of setting background color in a slide. Let's learn about the following ways. Using the Themes option. Follow the given steps to add a background style using the theme options. Steps 1. Click the desired slide. 2. Click on the Design tab. In the theme groups, choose the themes you want to apply. Using the Solid Fill option. Follow the given step to add a background style using the Solid Fill options. Steps 1. Select the Format Background button from the Design tab. 2. In the Format Background pane, choose Solid or Gradient Fill. 3. Choose the desired color option. 4. The color of the slide changes. Select Apply to All on the Format Background pane if you want all sides to have the same background color. Using the Picture or Texture Fill option. Follow the given steps to add a background style using the Solid Fill options. Steps 1. Select the Format Background button from the Design tab. 2. In Format Background pane, choose Picture or Texture Fill. 3. Choose a picture in the Insert picture. 4. Browse and select the picture you want to apply on the slide and press the Insert button. 5. The chosen picture will be applied as a background to the slide. Slideshow. Slideshow is a series of slides which displays all the slides on the screen one by one. The slideshow should be previewed so that any necessary modifications may be made before it is finalized. Follow the given steps to view the slideshow. Steps 1. Click on the Slideshow tab. 2. Select one of the following options in the Start Slideshow group. A. From beginning, starting the presentation with the first slide. B. From current slide, starting the presentation with the current slide. C. Custom Slideshow, starting the presentation with only the selected slides. Kids IQ. You can add only 50 slides in one presentation, said Mayank. Do you think Mayank is right? Let's recall. PowerPoint 2016 helps you to create beautiful presentations. Slideshow is a series of slides which displays all the slides on the screen one by one. A presentation is made up of a series of slides. the size of the image can be increased or decreased. Pictures have more visual impact than text. Upskill your intelligence. Dash is a series of slides which display all the slides on the screen one by one. Answer: slideshow. 2. We can delete the slides in the dash view or in the dash view. Answer: normal and slide sorter. 3. A dash is made up of a series of slides. Answer: presentation. 4. Select apply to all on the dash if you want all sides to have the same background color. Answer: format background pane. 5. Release the dash once the picture is positioned. Answer: mouse. B. Match the following. 1. Match slideshow with series of slides. 2. Match font color with default color black. 3. Match font style with Times New Roman. 4. Match font size with Arial 11. 5. Match new slide with Insert tab C. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. We cannot resize an image in MS PowerPoint. Answer: false. 2. The from the beginning starts the slideshow from the current slide. Answer: false. 3. We can select the format background button from the design tab. Answer: true. 4. Themes and pictures can be applied to a presentation. Answer: true. 5. Home tab is used to insert a picture from a file. Answer: false. D. Take the correct option. 1. Which tab is used to add a font color in the text? A. Design. B. View. C. Home. D. Insert. Answer: C. Home. 2. Which tab contains all the options to change the background of a slide? Answer: A. Format. B. Design. C. Slideshow. D. Animations. Answer: B. Design. 3. While resizing the picture, the shape of the cursor will change to a dash. A. Single-headed arrow. B. Flower. C. Double-headed arrow. D. Pointer. Answer: C. Double-headed arrow. 4. Making changes in the text appearance is referred to as A. Formatting. B. Viewing. C. Resizing. D. Moving. Answer: A. Formatting. 5. Which of the following shows the smaller version of the slide? A. Normal view. B. Slide view. C. Outline view. D. Slide sorter view. Answer: D. Slide sorter view. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Write the steps to insert a new slide in a presentation. Answer: follow the given steps to insert a new slide. Step 1. Click on the Home tab, opening a presentation. Step 2. From the slide scrub, click on the new slide. Step 3. Select the type of slide you want. Step 4. A new slide is inserted. 2. What do you mean by slideshow? Answer: the slideshow is a series of slides that display all the slides on the screen one by one. 3. How can we move a picture in the presentation? Answer: the position of the pictures can be changed. Follow the given step to change the position of the pictures. Step 1. Click on the image. Step 2. Sizing handles will appear around the edges of the picture. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over a sizing handle. Step 4. The shape of the cursor will change to a four-headed arrow. Step 5. While holding the mouse button, drag the mouse in the required direction. Step 6. Release the mouse once the picture is positioned. 4. What do you mean by formatting? Answer: making changes in the text appearance to make it more exciting and attention-grabbing is referred to as formatting. 5. How would you insert online pictures in a presentation? Answer: follow the given steps to insert an image from a file. Step 1. Take the cursor where you want to insert a picture on the slide. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab Click on the pictures button in the image group. Step 3. A dialog box will appear. Step 4. Browse to the location where you have saved your picture file. Step 5. Select the desired picture and click the insert button. Step 6. The picture will appear on the slide. Critical thinking. A. Raman's teacher has given him the steps for opening a presentation, but they are not in order. Number them in an order to help Raman. Select the open command from the left pane. Click on the open button. Locate and select the presentation you want to open. Click on the file tab. B. Niharika has made slides on water pollution. She forgets to add the background to the slides. Suggest to her how to add slides with the background. Answer. Follow the given steps to add a background style using the theme option. Step 1. Click the desired slide. Step 2. Click on the design tab. In the theme group, choose the themes you want to apply. Teamwork. In the previous chapter, you created 10 slides on global warming. Now, add more slides using background and formatting learned in this chapter. Answer. Students will do it themselves.